Yeah. Today is second class for Aiden. He's 5 years old. He just became 5. And we should cover about 10 topics. So I'm gonna record so he practices at home. But the thing is, my notes are on my phone. And now I'm making video. Okay, let's try remember what we can remember. First of all, we need this book. And parents gonna get this book. All in one, book A by Holy Art publication. And the assignment is from the first page until page number 8. So now we're gonna remember what we learned last time. Where's middle C, Aiden? Nope, middle C. We talked today. B-E-L-L-Y, belly, belly button. Where's our belly button? So where's right here, middle C. Good job. Now we're gonna play all C's. And in the middle, in this middle C, who is this?
The mad face.
Mad face. Yep, there's mad face because why? There's the guard. He said, this is kingdom for which hand? Left hand. For the low notes for left hand. And these keys, these notes are for only for the right hand high notes. This is 2 different kingdoms. And he's a guard. So he doesn't want to right hand go here. He doesn't want left hand go here. It means you need to remember about this border. So play for me all C's with second finger. Guard, I'm mad. I'm so mad. Are you trying to cross the border? You cannot go there. Very good. So what else we learned, Aiden? We learned how many notes we have, how many letters? 5, 6, or 7?
I think
7. They're good. Let's review them. A, right, like the English alphabet. A, B,
C, D, E, F, G.
very good. So A starts here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And after that it starts over. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? So 7 notes. Mom is going to get you the stickers so you will learn them where they are on the piano. But now you already... Stickers you're gonna put for... like this, you're gonna put with the letters on the keys. Okay? But I think we learned with you those 3 notes. C, what next? D,
E,
C, D, E. Okay, if you know C, D, E, it's good enough for now. Okay. Now, we also worked on a group of 2 and group of 3 for block keys, remember? Oh, you made me yawn too. You made me yawn too. Oh my God, it's a sleepy kingdom here. Let's play the game for the right hand and left hand for a group of 2. Fingers 2 and 3, right? I think you can go lower, as low as you can. Fingers 2 and 3. Kingdom for left hand. Like that. No, this group of 2. Yes. Wow, Oh, I think you went to wrong kingdom. Right hand now. Continue. Play nice sound. Play beautiful. Don't touch the key for nothing. Make nice, decent sound. Good, thank you. Very good. Now let's do 3 fingers and let's find a group of 3 black keys. Thank you. Boy, this is not good sound. What was it? Like a frogs in a swamp. Swamp, like meh. No. Make nice. Like that. Yeah, much better. Good job. Much better. Okay, right here. No, not your kingdom. Go back. Yes. Yes. Not good. This little baby ugly frogs. Let's make like it's golden little baby golden squirrels. They also make noise, but beautiful sounds like mama, we wanna go eat, we're hungry, and it's so cute. Yay, good job. Now sit in the middle. So what else we learn? I think what we'll learn, play twinkle twinkle with both hands. First, let's review right hand, second finger, Okay, it's enough. Play left hand. This was right hand. This is left hand. Good. So challenge is keep the same finger. Second or third, don't change, okay? And the challenge for your homework, play hands together now. Keep going. So finger 2, finger 3. We don't want to mix them up. 2 is friend with 2. 3 is friend with 3. Let's play the game we learned also. What we did? They're gonna say right hand, it's gonna say hi to left hand, right? And fingers gonna say hi to each other. Remember? They say in Chinese, what they say? Ni hao. Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, right? First. Okay, you do it now.
Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Ni hao, ni hao.
Ni hao. Second fingers, third finger. Ni hao. Third fingers.
Ni hao. Ni hao.
I don't understand what you're doing. Repeat for me, third fingers. Ni hao, ni hao. That's third one, right?
Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao.
So it's like their faces here, and giving hug to each other. Hi, hello, hello, like two brothers meet again. Okay? So fingers 4. Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Pinkies. Pinkies. Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Good. So you do this 3, 4, 5 times, this game. Okay? And another one we did when the mama, who's boss in the family, she's checking for all kids at home, right? She's checking. Is second my baby at home? Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao.
Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao.
Third. Ni hao.
Ni
Third, my
hao.
baby, okay?
Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao.
Fourth.
Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao.
Pinky.
Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao.
Good job. You do like 4, 5 times. Yes, this one. Okay. What else we learned today? We learned that we have a heartbeat. How we can find it? Show me, Zelda. You go home and you show this to Mama. Heartbeats you find in your hand.
6.
Huh?
6.
What 6? You put your finger right here on the left hand. And what do you feel? Like here. Right here. What do you feel? What do you feel?
The heart.
Heartbeats. Boom, boom, boom. Let me see. Boom, boom, boom.
I
Yes.
feel right here too.
See, you feel it. Teach Mama at home. Maybe 2 fingers even better like this. You're gonna feel with 2 fingers. So our heartbeats, they are even, right? They are steady. So they could be fast, they could be slow, but they're always steady.
Slowly.
Okay, now we're gonna do with you exercise for the heartbeats. Miss Elsa is gonna play for you music, and you will clap. First, we're gonna do slow heartbeats. Slow, like this. Ready? I'm gonna play for you music. Hold on. Ready? You can join me. Continue. Continue, clap. Continue. Now we're gonna do medium speed. It means a little bit faster. Oh, this is what you do. We need to go to see the doctor. The heart doesn't work well. Heart needs to be steady. Beats are the same, equal, even. Okay, now we're gonna do fast speed. Do you hear me? Don't do this. It's good. It's called rhythm. It's different. It's how the song's going, okay? We're gonna play different songs and they're gonna have a different rhythm. But now we're learning how to make steady, boring claps, boring, the same beats. Can you clap with me? We're gonna call your brother. He's gonna help us. Lee, can I have you for a second? Please. You're gonna listen to your brother, okay? Can you clap for us, please? 3 different speeds. So Aiden need practice at home. Slow speed, follow my music. Medium. Fast. Good. So this is what he needs. Equal, the same. Okay, the last thing what I'm gonna show you, what you need to do, it is, oh my God, your lesson was so long. No lesson for your brother. Amazing. So what we learned today, in the very, very beginning, remember what we did? We were teaching our hands how to breathe, because we know how to breathe, right? We can breathe in through nose and breathe out through mouth. We can do it, right? Like inhale, exhale, inhale, nose, exhale, mouth. Okay, and now we're gonna do the same thing with hands. Let's do it, and we finish. Inhale, nose, Exhale, mouth. Inhale. Exhale, mouth. Inhale, nose. Exhale, mouth. Now you do by yourself 2 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Give me 5, Aiden. I cannot believe it. We had such a long class. Bye. This is Aiden. I'm Miss Elsa.